There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ace. Y'all already know what time it is. We about to do an Amazon lace front wig today with Unice hair. Now look at this plum color, girl. She come with adjustable strap, okay, combs, elastic removable band. That is adjustable and the ears are sculpted out for you, girl. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and ready to go. Now look at the color, y'all. This is like a plum color. I wouldn't really say it was burgundy in person and up close. This is definitely giving plum vibes, okay? Now, it already came parted in the middle. It already came bleached, pre-cut. The only thing that I need to do is put her on and, you know what I'm saying, style her a little bit. So I got my wax stick and my hot comb. And girl, you're best to be careful with a hot comb. So I will be hot combing the edges, but not until I put on my elastic band, girl, because I am not trying to fry my skin off. I think I have done that way too many times. And like I said, this is UNICEWIG, and I've worked with them a million times. When I tell y'all they have the best of the best of the best of the best on those Amazon wigs, girl, then you definitely want to check them out. Affordable, cute, and stylish. Okay. Now, if you want your hair to be bone straight, girl, you definitely want to press, press, press. Now, this is a 7x5, and look at all the parting you can do. This thing goes all the way back, girl. So if you are scared a little bit about a 7x5, baby, get you one, because I promise you, you will have plenty of parting. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to the old school days with my pumping up. You know Bronner Brothers hairspray? Girl, I love this stuff. This stuff will hold down for life. When I tell you I used to wear my wigs for a week straight with this stuff here, girl, yes, this is one of my favorite. And like I told y'all before, I'm really trying to use up all of my products that I have before I buy any more of my other favorite hairspray, which is Aussie. Now listen, Bronner Brothers, Pump It Up, will freeze your hair instantly. And when I tell you that it will freeze your hair instantly, girl, it will freeze and hold. So y'all see, I already put one layer of hairspray to adhere this unit. Because with that hairspray, girl, you really don't need none. Now, I am going to be thinning out the hairline a little bit because I do like it to look a little bit more natural as possible. So I just grab my tweezers and I get to plucking, honey. Okay? You can do so if you like, but you know, everybody is entitled to what their preference is. Now on for the fun part, girl. Like I said, I'm going to be flat ironing or hot combing the edges, but I had to make sure that I had on my melting band, my protection, because girl, listen, I need my skin to not be burnt. Now this wig is beautiful. It is 24 inches, baby, 180% density in a 7x5 lace front with elastic band, adjustable straps, and a comb in the nape. Now, I'm going to be doing some layering in this unit because she is bone straight. And I felt like if I put some layers in the front, she'd definitely be even more cuter. So y'all know, I used to do this back in the day, but I haven't been layering on camera in a while. So, you know, I went ahead and parted, and I just got ahead to cutting and chopping. Please excuse the faces that I was making while cutting the hair, girl. I don't know what my problem is. conceal some of that hairline in the front, I'm going to just swoop up a little bit of these hairs. I should have tweezed a little bit more. I do this best when it's on a mannequin head versus my head. I prefer to pre-pluck when it's on a mannequin versus my own head because it's just so much easier when you use a canvas blockhead. And that's my number one recommendation for today. Make sure when you do want to pre-pluck, make sure you have a canvas blockhead. Some people do like to pre-pluck on themselves, but to get right in to the nitty and the gritty, I would highly suggest a canvas blockhead. Now, just to make this part look a little bit more flush tone, you already know I had to use some of my foundation stick. This is my color, honey. Now, you can do this if you choose to, but this will definitely make it look as natural as possible. And this is the finished look, girl. What can I say? The color is bomb, the length is bomb, the density and everything. Y'all best to make sure that y'all check out Unice Hair. Girl, when I tell y'all that they have come through, they have come through. They have so many different units to choose from, and they're all available on Amazon.com. But they also got other stores too on AliExpress. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all leave a comment, thumbs the video up, share it, and let me know what y'all think about this color. But on that note, I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious as always. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, baby. I will see y'all in the next one. And check the description box for all of the deets on Unice's hair. Girl, they will have you covered. Beauty on a budget, baby. Bye.